Okay. All right, raw candy, just being a hungry fat chick. No makeup, no filters, just me and McDonald's. Getting down with the clowns today. Alright, let me sit up a little and adjust myself. Woo! Alright, the McDelivery. Yeah, we're doing this. I mean, I know it probably gets boring watching me eat McDonald's, but this channel's not all about excitement. It's about the grubbing. I'm just grubbing. And I'm in full Goblin mode today. I don't care. Y'all are lucky I brushed my hair. I got the unsweet tea lemonade combo. So it is like 140 calories, you know, so because the lemonade's sweet. So that's all the sugar that's in it. Ooh. I like how the tea goes to the top. All right, I was in the mood for McDonald's, and they're doing the Monopoly thingy. So I figured, why not? I did get a spicy McChicken that isn't participating in the, and a quarter pounder with cheese. But I got the filet of fish, the Big Mac, and the nuggets. And the 10-piece nuggets was free. I got one mayo, good. Oh yeah. So where's my oh. Well, I got one. I thought I was supposed to get it with the filet of fish and the Big Mac. McDonald's, y'all failed me. They're hiding. Okay. There's not one on the drink, though. I thought there was supposed to be one on the drink, too, but I guess not. Okay. So I peeled it off. I could have just left the sticker on there. I thought I was peeling the whole thing off. I didn't need to pull the whole sticker off. What do we got here? We got Atlantic Avenue. Okay, that's fun. Hey, about to lose a fry. I'm not gonna do that. Electric Company. I just like those. I just got 3 things with it on there, so no big deal. It's not on the fries either. God, I'm blind. St. Charles Place. I usually buy that kind of stuff anyway when I play Monopoly. Alright. I didn't send no napkins. Look at this. McDonald's with the F. It's all off kilter. Oh yeah, man. I'm feeling so much better, y'all. Yeah, I went the whole finger. Sorry. I just don't care right now. I'm being a fatty. I'm being a fat fatty. Because I'm feeling good and like I said, I'm kind of in goblin mode. I'm feeling like a trash panda. Let me get the grabby and these little napkins I have over here. Get away. All right. The McChicken. I love the little spicy McChickens. All right. Let me open all my sauces. I ordered this one extra. And I got the barbecue and the sweet and sour with my chicken nuggies. Y'all are along for the full ride here. All right. Got the Monopoly Man. All right. No monocle. You know about that Mandela effect. He had a monocle where I came from. Fruit Loops had the cornucopia. Underwear. And I can't remember about the Fruit Loops one, but I know that was the opposite for me too. Ooh, nuggies are good today. Still got a couple of fruit flies aggravating. I felt so bad for my delivery driver. They got so lost. I was like, I feel so bad, but I give very clear instructions in the notes, and then I also try to guide them into my apartments. And the app even translates to, language. So I don't know. I do my best to help. I was like, I come from a time when you didn't have to rely on no GPS. You had to print out a MapQuest map or learn how to read a big map atlas kind of thing, or unfold a map and refold a map. Y'all just don't even realize how easy you have it today. I mean, us Gen Xers and Boomers, I mean, we had to put in all kind of extra work to get stuff going. I mean, bless their hearts, but I've got a good sense of direction anyway. I can tell you from where I'm sitting right now where north, south, east, and west is of me. I'm facing north right now. I used to think that came from my Native American blood. And then I did a couple of DNA tests and less than 1%. I'm like, somebody got lied to back in the day. I'm like, okay then. Dang it. People ask me all the time, am I Italian? And I'm like, no. Most of my ancestries, like the Celtic countries and then the Nordic countries and all of that, like, mixed up. And my people came from, like, England and Scotland and those areas, but had a lot of, like, Scandinavian blood as well. And Germanic. It's like, okay. That's why I always say I want to go back to Scotland, because, you know, that's where my bloodline came about, I suppose. Oh Lord, my Big Mac is, I got extra sauce. Damn, that's good. Some days a person just wants to eat trash. Dang, I knew that was gonna be messy too. I have to get a hold of the paper towels from the roller cart. I'm on day 5 of my antibiotics, y'all. And I'm still sinusy. I mean, at least I feel like it's kind of back to my normal sinus stuff. I don't have that sicky feeling in me. Ooh. I just love mayonnaise on fries. I didn't get 2 this time. I just got 1. Well, that's plenty. That's plenty. It's like fat on fat. All right, I want the a little messy fillet of fish. Looks pretty good though. Mmm. 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 That one's so much better than the last one I had. Mmm. Mmm. Man, whoever was on the fryer was killing it today. The fries I don't feel are super fresh, but they're still good. The nuggets and the filet. Mmm. I'm looking forward to biting into the McChicken to see what it's doing today. Mmm. 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 Wow. So, oh yeah. Probably should have had extra mayo. I'm gonna bite the mayo side. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 That's so good. I mean, sometimes McDonald's is just what you needed. Mm. Mmm. Mmm. They did put my extra salt on there. Oh, they're yummy. Mmm. Hmm. Yeah, McDonald's is always a treat, though. I treat myself all the time, obviously, but today I wasn't gonna let myself enjoy without actually earning it, if you know what I mean. I like them. It's got cheese on the top and the bottom. I love the little slivered onions. That's a good burger. I'm dropping the cheese. Mmm. 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 I'm not really gonna play the Monopoly thing. I just thought, you know, open them. I don't know anybody that's playing either. I'll save them, you never know. Somebody might hit me up. Because I do McDonald's every couple of weeks anyway. Whether I film or not. Just every couple of weeks I'm like, I just make delivery time. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Nugget. Mm. Mm. Yeah, these are some of the first ones I buy when I play Monopoly. Electric Company. What was this one? Atlantic Avenue. I mean, like some Marvin Garden. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. I'm gonna take a couple more bites of my Big Mac and then I'm gonna call it for now. I get full so quick. I'm gonna eat all of this though. I mean, mm. Mm. It's just not something I can do in one sitting. Mm. Oh, that was that was everything I wanted today. I got the fish, I got the chicken, I got the saucy burger, I got the traditional burger, salty fries, crispy, tender nuggets. They're crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. And some of the nuggets are really good. And they're still warm. Mm. Mm. Okay. Mm. So it's just me today. I'm gonna be chilling and watching a couple of shows, maybe a couple of movies. Who knows? Oh man, and playing my Skyrim because that's what I'm doing right now. Anyway, thank y'all very much for taking time out of your day to spend with me. I really appreciate you, and I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye now.